Why settle for a slow sensor when 8 mirrorless cameras can redefine your entire workflow? Grab the latest pricing in the description and stay tuned to see which model dominates the speed category. Start your journey with a 24.1 megapixel sensor that teaches you photography. Entry-level cameras often feel like a puzzle. Canon EOS R100 simplifies this by using a guided user interface to explain exactly how settings change your image. 24.1 MPEX resolution and dual-pixel CMOS AF with 3,975 points keep shots sharp. 4K 25p video allows for basic content creation. The fixed screen remains the key tension. Beginner-friendly menus unlock new skills without needing a manual. High-resolution output matches the image quality of expensive professional bodies. Learning the principles of exposure becomes a fast process. Small dimensions make this a handy companion for any trip. Need touch control? No touchscreen, you must rely on buttons and dials for every menu adjustment. 4K video lacks dual-pixel AF, meaning focus pulls are slower than on the R7. First-time photographers who want an affordable entry into the EOS R system get a yes. Pass if you need a touchscreen or vlogging-focused features. The beginner's first mirrorless? Get a 2x crop factor that turns a 300mm lens into a 600mm reach. Most entry-level cameras lack professional stability. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV beats this by pairing a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor with heavy-duty in-body image stabilization. 4K UHD video and a 180-degree tilting touchscreen enable a streamlined vlogging workflow. The 121-point autofocus system keeps subjects locked. Steady handheld shots remain the key tension. Shake-free images arrive via the robust stabilization system. Beginners can unlock new skills using the guided user interface. 4K video captures professional output for travel. Small MFT lenses keep your entire kit compact for any trip. Need low light power? Smaller sensor? The Micro Four Thirds chip is physically smaller than APS-C, limiting ISO performance. Plastic build quality feels less premium than professional bodies. Budget-conscious beginners who want maximum value get a yes. Pass if you need full-frame depth of field like the R5 Mark II. The travel-ready value king. Ditch the bulk. Capture 6.2K open-gate video in a 26.1 megapixel sensor body that fits in your pocket. Heavy gear usually slows down travel photographers. Fujifilm X-M5 beats this by pairing a 26.1 MPEX X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor with a dedicated film simulation dial. 6.2K 30p open-gate recording captures the full sensor area for flexible cropping. 30 frames to electronic bursts keep the action sharp. The lack of a viewfinder creates a specific handheld tension. Vintage vibes arrive instantly via the film simulation dial. 6.2K 10-bit 4Nash 2 video delivers professional output for social media. Changing lenses gives you more versatility than the fixed lens X100 VI. Tiny dimensions make this the ideal travel companion. Need a viewfinder? Missing glass? The absence of an EVF forces reliance on the rear screen. No in-body image stabilization means you must buy stabilized lenses for smooth shots. Travel creators who want maximum portability get a yes. Pass if you need weather sealing for rainy days. The pocketable cinema tool. Pack a full-frame sensor into a body that weighs almost nothing. Compact vlogging cameras usually sacrifice sensor size for portability. Sony ZV-E1 beats this by pairing a 12.1 megapixel full-frame sensor with AI-driven subject tracking. 4K 30p video and a vari-angle touchscreen allow for a streamlined cinematic workflow. The 759-point autofocus system keeps targets locked. AI tracking precision remains the key tension. AI-powered subject recognition locks onto people with robotic precision. Full-frame depth of field creates a professional cinematic look. High-quality built-in microphones capture audio without external gear. E-mount compatibility opens up a massive range of lens options. Need high-res stills? Low resolution, the 12-megapixel sensor limits cropping ability. Active stabilization modes crop the image significantly. Large lenses make handheld use awkward. Content creators who prioritize video over photos get a yes. Pass if you need high-resolution stills like the R5 Mark II. The vlogging first full frame. Grab 30 frames per second with a 32.5 megapixel resolution sensor. Small sensors usually sacrifice speed or resolution to stay compact. Canon EOS R7 beats this by pairing a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with a 120 free SH's viewfinder. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 provides 651 points for locking onto fast subjects. 4K 60p video keeps the image professional. The 1.6x crop factor extends your reach. The buffer capacity remains the key tension. APS-C reach transforms a 75 to 300 mm lens into a 480 mm powerhouse. 30 frames per second bursts ensure you never miss the peak action. In-body image stabilization provides up to 8 stops of shake reduction. Intelligent autofocus locks onto wildlife with robotic precision. Need a deep buffer? Limited capacity? The internal memory fills quickly during high-speed bursts. This forces a slower pace for long action sequences. Intermediate shooters who want a fast, all-purpose performer get a yes. Pass if you require full-frame power like the R5 Mark II. The wildlife action workhorse. Record 6K open-gate video directly to an external SSD for total workflow efficiency. Overheating usually plagues high-end hybrid cameras. Panasonic Lumix S5 Ti-IX beats this with an active cooling system and 779-point phase hybrid AF. 4K 60p and ProRes RAW capabilities keep the image professional. SSD recording removes storage bottlenecks. This allows for a streamlined cinematic pipeline. If you're going from smartches. Direct to SSD recording saves hours of offloading time. Cinematic 6K OpenGate captures every single pixel for flexible cropping. Best-in-class stabilization keeps handheld shots steady without a gimbal. Phase hybrid AF ensures subjects stay locked. Need a tally light? Low visibility, gray button markings, and missing tally lights hinder fast adjustments. The articulated screen occasionally blocks the HDMI cable path. Filmmakers who need a compact, reliable workhorse get a yes. Pass if you shoot high-texture fabrics. The Cinema First Hybrid. Upscale images to 180 megapixels in camera without losing quality. Most pro cameras struggle with the trade-off between resolution and speed. Canon EOS R5 Mark II breaks this cycle with a 45 megapixel BSI stacked sensor. 8K 60p RAW video and 30 frames per second keep pace with any action. Neural net AI denoising and 8.5 stops of stabilization provide the real edge. High-resolution stills are now a weapon. 180 megapixel upscaling allows for deep cropping without losing detail. 8K 60p video resolution transforms a single body into a professional cinema own. 30 frames per burst capture the exact moment of impact. Need a tighter budget? Price. The high cost of entry makes this a steep investment. Expert hybrid shooters who want raw firepower will find this a yes. Skip if you need 120 FPS speed like the Sony A9 III, the professional hybrid standard. Stop wasting frames. Capture 120 frames per second at full 24.6 megapixel resolution. Rolling shutter distortion ruins most high-speed action shots. Sony A9 III kills that problem with a full-frame global shutter. 759 phase detection points and 4K 60p video keep focus sharp. The 120 frames burst allows for total frame precision. High base ISO 250 creates a specific noise trade-off. Global shutter technology removes all motion blur from fast subjects. Every shot stays perfectly aligned. Flash sync works at any shutter speed, giving you total lighting control. AI-driven pose estimation tracks athletes with robotic precision. Worried about low light? ISO sensitivity. The base ISO 250 starts higher, meaning images are slightly noisier in the shadows. Occasional AF slips happen during complex AI tracking. Global shutter dominance makes this a yes for professional sports and wildlife photographers. Skip if you prioritize absolute ISO cleanliness. The category-defining speed machine. Secure the best mirrorless camera deals in the description now. Support this camera gear guide by subscribing to the channel. Build your kit